I was at Walmart and I was down the mirror aisle looking at a mirror for my room, and I was leaning, looking towards the mirrors. Had about maybe 10 stacks of mirrors from above me fall and hit me. They fell on my shoulder and on my face. After that, immediately I felt shoulder pain radiating to like the neck area. So my mom actually referred me to you guys. She had a case, I was in middle school, so maybe in 2011, I want to say. So she actually had a case. So yes, she referred me to you guys. Amazing. Communication. I've never had to call in. Like, I was always called every month, or there was always an update. It was amazing. I was very up to date on everything that was going on in my claim. Jasmine is amazing, yes. Oh yes, actually I already referred one. Yes, so I believe they're working with you guys already. Everything was great.